I am Val Williams. I am the program coordinator and an instructor in the Electrical Engineering Technology program. The Electrical Engineering Technology program is part of the STech department, which is the Energy Systems Education and Technology Center. In this center, we work to educate the future workers of the energy world. But this technology transfers over into a lot of other industries as well. Industries such as oil and gas, food manufacturing, automobile manufacturing, mining. Anywhere where there's an automated process, they need technicians with these skills. As you come into the Electrical Engineering Technology program, your first 2 semesters are spent learning the basics of electricity. Learning all the principles about current flow, voltage levels, how current is pushed through a conductor and it goes through a device to create work. After those first 2 semesters, you can receive a certificate of completion for that. As you continue on into your 3rd and 4th semesters, you then enter the program level where you learn about automation control, how you can use different sensors to determine if the application that you're controlling is working properly or not. You learn how to program programmable logic controllers. These are the brains behind the equipment in these automated processes. You also will learn all about the motors, as I mentioned, the sensors, the methods of controlling them, and how to troubleshoot them. Troubleshooting is a key element because that's where the bread and butter of a technician is located at. Being able to troubleshoot when there's a problem and get the equipment up and running again. And in the 4th semester, we learn about protective relaying. We learn how power is generated and transferred from a generation station out to the end user and all that is involved there.